The Great Garage Sale Challenge. Upcycling forgotten finds into functional decor is more than just a creative experiment. It is a bold commitment to proving that inspiration often hides in the most unexpected places, waiting on dusty driveways, tucked beneath old tarps, or placed carelessly on folding tables at weekend sales. In this challenge, the true art begins long before the crafting starts. It begins in the hunt itself, where we deliberately push ourselves to scour garage sales for objects that most shoppers overlook, dismiss, or fail to recognize as raw potential. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your ultimate destination for stunning woodcraft and home decor inspiration. Here, every piece of wood tells a story, and every design brings nature's beauty into your home. Whether you're a passionate woodwork maker, a woodworking dreamer, or someone seeking timeless and eco-friendly decor, you're in the right place. Stay tuned until the end of this video to uncover creative ideas, inspiring transformations, and to see beautiful collection and get inspiration. Don't just decorate, create with purpose. Subscribe, watch, and let's craft something beautiful together. Instead of limiting our search to the usual suspects like wood scraps, metal pieces, or old furniture, we broaden our imagination to include nearly anything that sparks a vision. Vintage suitcases with cracked leather, mismatched picture frames, rusty kitchen tools, abandoned lamps, worn-out books, forgotten textile remnants, or even novelty items whose original purpose has long been lost to time. With each find, we commit to reimagining it not as junk, but as the foundation for a functional, one-of-a-kind decor piece that carries both artistic soul and market value. The challenge becomes a real test of creativity, because upcycling from garage sale treasures requires not only technical skill, but also the ability to see beauty where others only see clutter. People often walk past these objects without noticing their hidden charm, but to a creative eye, every dent, scratch, and faded color becomes evidence of a life lived, details that can be transformed into stunning features in a reimagined design. This challenge allows us to demonstrate that budgets do not restrict creativity. If anything, limitations force us to think more resourcefully, experiment more fearlessly, and approach design with a level of originality that mass-produced decor can never replicate. What makes this undertaking truly exciting is how each object comes with its own past, a story that becomes part of the new piece we create. A chipped ceramic bowl might become a candle holder lined with brass embellishments. An old typewriter key might become the centerpiece of a minimalist wall art. A cracked drawer front could evolve into a rustic serving tray with modern handles. Even a broken guitar might find new life as a striking floating shelf. These transformations do more than produce attractive objects. They give discarded materials emotional value, injecting nostalgia, mystery, and authenticity into home spaces that crave personality. When buyers see such creations, they're not just purchasing decor, they're purchasing a conversation piece, something that carries a story of salvage, reinvention, and intentional craftsmanship. Many people want items in their home that feel meaningful, mindful, and environmentally conscious. Upcycled decor satisfies all three desires at once, making this challenge not only creatively fulfilling, but also economically smart. The market has seen a shift towards sustainable design, with customers actively seeking products that reduce waste and promote responsible use of resources. When we uncover forgotten garage sale finds and elevate them into functional decor, we are aligning ourselves with this growing demand for eco-friendly artistry that blends vintage charm with contemporary relevance. As we dive deeper into this challenge, the true purpose expands beyond making something beautiful. It becomes a powerful reminder that creativity thrives most when we work with constraints. When a piece is broken, incomplete, outdated, or strangely shaped, It forces us to problem solve in ways that spark innovation. Instead of walking into a store and buying new materials, we confront the imperfections of each find and use them to our advantage. A missing handle becomes an opportunity for a modern alternative. A cracked surface becomes the perfect excuse to apply textured finishes. A faded design inspires a new color palette or pattern. Every flaw pushes the project into an unexpected direction, often resulting in pieces more dynamic and original than if we had started with perfect materials. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video so far? Make sure to tap that like button and share the channel with your family and friends who love woodworking, decor, and creative inspiration just like you. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you new ideas and projects every day. I'd also love to know where in the world you're watching from. So drop your country in the comments below. And after this video, don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel. You'll find even more inspirational transformations and creative builds waiting for you. The challenge, therefore, teaches a valuable lesson. Creativity is not about having the best supplies, but about learning to see beyond limitations. Garage sale finds are unpredictable, but that unpredictability is exactly what makes the transformation process thrilling and artistically liberating. Another powerful aspect of this challenge is its ability to reshape how people view waste. Most homeowners host garage sales because they want to clear space and rid themselves of items they think no longer have purpose. But when we rescue those objects, reimagine their function, and transform them into desirable decor pieces, we give them a second life that proves nothing is truly useless if approached with imagination. Old baskets become wall-mounted planters, vintage clocks turn into stylish shadow boxes, outdated kitchen utensils evolve into eclectic jewelry holders, and forgotten children's toys become whimsical office accents. With each project, we demonstrate to our audience that sustainable living doesn't require sacrifice, it requires creativity. And as viewers watch these discarded items become functional decor, they may begin to rethink the forgotten things in their own garages, basements, or storage rooms. They may discover that what they considered trash could actually be the beginning of their next handmade masterpiece. This challenge also strengthens the emotional and community-driven aspect of upcycling. Garage sales often reflect the personal histories of families. Objects that once held sentimental value, served a meaningful purpose, or belonged to past generations. When we rescue these items, we honor their stories instead of allowing them to fade away. The act of transforming them becomes a small tribute to the lives they touched. Viewers connect deeply with this emotional thread. It reminds them that home decor can be more than an object. It can be a memory preserved through artistry. For creators, this emotional connection becomes an essential ingredient in crafting pieces that resonate with buyers on a personal level. People are not just interested in beautiful decor. They want pieces with soul, character, and authenticity. Garage sale upcycling delivers exactly that, blending history with innovative design and environmental responsibility. Moreover, this challenge proves that profitability can coexist with sustainability. Because garage sale items are typically extremely affordable, sometimes even free, the profit margin for upcycled decor can be significant. A creative individual can turn a $1 item into a $50 or even $100 decor piece if crafted with intention, skill, and artistic vision. The market loves originality, and buyers are often willing to pay more for handmade, one-of-a-kind craftsmanship that cannot be purchased in major retail stores. By transforming overlooked items into valuable decor, we illustrate a compelling business model for aspiring makers. showing them that earning income from creativity is not only possible but highly accessible. All it takes is practice, imagination, and an open mind willing to see potential where others see none. Ultimately, the Great Garage Sale Challenge is a celebration of resourcefulness, artistry, and the beauty of second chances. It proves that functional decor does not need to begin with brand new materials or expensive supplies. It can begin with someone else's forgotten belongings, waiting quietly under the morning sun at a neighborhood sale. Through this challenge, we highlight the joy of discovery, the thrill of reinvention, and the satisfaction of giving discarded objects a new life filled with purpose. We remind makers, viewers, and buyers alike that creativity can transform anything, and that every object, no matter how old or ordinary, has the potential to become something extraordinary when shaped by human hands, imagination, and passion. Thank you so much for watching Decor Ideas, where creativity meets craftsmanship and nature comes to life through wood. We truly appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends and family who love unique home decor and woodcraft inspiration. Your feedback inspires us to create even more amazing ideas for you. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our next inspiring video. Until then, keep crafting, keep creating, and keep finding beauty in every piece of wood.